Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Reaver Arms Citadel Light here with me for a review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see quickly what is this about, because I'm not really like a light guy, I'm more like a knife guy, and I thought when I saw this light over here, I said, that's a really cool one and I have to get one, so let's just get one and that's it. So I got this one. This is really cool. You know, there's a nice soft pouch. Originally, the light comes with this card, which is the Dragon Driver version 3 with instructions. You can have a look, pause the video and follow the instructions if you want to set up your light. And it also comes with a nice card, certificate of authenticity. And so this is a custom light. It's pretty cool. Let's see how big this guy is, because it's not that big. It's less than 3.5 inch long, so 3.3 inch long. And I don't have really many lights to compare this to. I just have this Phoenix E12, which is a little bit bigger, and just a Phoenix E01, which is just a tad smaller. So this is my light game, so really inexpensive couple over here, but this is not inexpensive. Actually, this is really expensive because it's a custom light. It's made out of zirconium, so this means you know, he took a solid chunk of zirconium and then started using his CNC lathe, his manual lathe, and the CNC mill 5-axis machine to actually machine this guy out of the rod of zirconium. So it's really a time-consuming process. It goes from any time to 1 day up to like a week or 2 weeks, depending on the finish that you're gonna pick on your light. Because of course, like for example, in this case, he had to sand it down to 2000 grit and then polish, and like polishing all the crevices here, all these internal milling areas. It must have been pretty painful. And then, of course, heat treated, and this goes for the fancy materials employed. And I mean, Jesse is designing, is machining everything himself, so it's not outsourcing anything. So really cool that this is done in the house, except of course for the driver. He's doing everything himself. And also, what I really like is that this design, it's really seamless, like from the beginning to the end, and you can see that here it's almost you see the line, of course, but you can't really feel it. So this is what I really love. Like, fit and finish of this guy is crazy. But for example, just check out the clip. This clip is there's no flat areas. It's all rounded off. There's no straight lines. It's even the profile, you see, it's curved. This area is curved. Here, everything is basically, except for maybe like this area over here, but everything else is curved. So it's really tough to make, time consuming, and of course, it's gonna be expensive. So I just want to show you this guy over here. Yeah, I know I said one light, but I had to get this one because it was so cool. So probably this one is gonna go, but this guy over here is gonna stay for a while because I really dig this one. Also, this is same thing, but just in titanium and stone washed, so it's a little bit lighter. This guy over here is gonna be 3.9 ounces, and this guy in Zirc is going to be 4.9 ounces, so a full ounce more than this. And I mean, same driver, same everything going on the inside. Also, like for example, this is the actual original clip that this came with. You can have the mill clip separately because I think this is better looking. Probably functionality goes a little bit over to this guy, but like look wise, I mean, you cannot compare these two guys. So the function, this of course driver is a Dragon driver, has a secondary red light, and it's programmable. You can have many settings. You can have program this light too, and just follow the instructions I just showed you before, and you can just enjoy and program this light. It also has like a bike mode. You can check the power of the battery left. And it's a fun light. It's really slick looking. It's really looking good, I think. And this guy has kind of like an oil slick finish, which is fantastic. Like to the touch, it's great. I mean, this looks great. Sound, of course, you just have this sound of the clicking sound over here. So there's not much sound going on, but the look going on is just fantastic. I really like these lines like that. It's beautifully designed, and feels also great in the hand. Like the touch, it's fantastic. It's so sleek. In fact, this finish is called oil slick, and it's so good to touch. The feel, it's incredible. It's much nicer to the touch than this one. This is still nice, nicely made, of course. It's beautifully machined, but honestly, this guy has a much nicer, smoother feel, and of course a more elegant and nice look, because look at that. I mean, that's a pretty serious business. So I really like this guy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.